Hello, dear students. Glad to see you again. Please welcome to the ঘরে বসে শিখি page. Please take your khata and textbook and pen in front of the ঘরে বসে শিখি. Hope you are pretty much well by the grace of Almighty. I am also good because we are staying at home with our families. We have no school, but we have to study. Today I am going to teach grade 5 students subject English, unit 16, lesson A and B, page 62. Okay, before start our class, let's do something. Do you like singing a song? Yes, I think you like because song is very interesting. So let's sing a song. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we are not afraid today. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we are not alone today. Again, we sing the song. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we are not afraid today. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we are not alone today. How do you feel? Did you enjoy it? Yes, you are enjoy. All right. Thank you, students. Let's have a look. I want to show a picture. Do you like to see? Yes, of course. Please look at the screen. What have you seen in the picture? Please think alone. Try to find out who are they. She is a woman and a girl. Who are there in the picture? A woman and a girl. What is the young girl asking for? She asking something maybe. What are she is her mother. The woman is the girl's mother. What is the mother saying? She asked something and mother saying to advise her. Where do you think the girl is going? Can you guess? After reading the text we can find out. Okay, now we go to the next slide. Now try to find out what the scenery. Okay, dear students, you are good students. It is a classroom. It is a classroom. It is a classroom. There is a boy standing on the door. This is a classroom and another student. Let's have a look. Who are there in the picture? The teacher and the student. What is the boy doing in the picture? She asks something. What is the boy asking for? After reading the text we can know. We'll know. What is the teacher saying? We also know from the text. So I show the picture also from the text. Can you see? Yeah, this is the picture for you. Okay, dear students, now I want to show some words, new words. First word is doctor's chamber. What is this? Doctor's chamber. Where physician practice. ডাক্তারের চেম্বার, যেখানে ডাক্তার রোগী দেখেন। Now move on the sentence. I am at the doctor's chamber. I am at the doctor's chamber. Where I am? I am at the doctor's chamber. Please pronounce with me. Doctor's chamber. Pronounce with me again. Doctor's chamber. The meaning of the words are where physician practice. Where physician practice. I am at the doctor's chamber. I am at the doctor's chamber. Okay, let's move on next words. Too long. Too long meanings short time. A few minutes, few time. Too long. খুব কম সময়। Never run in the sun too long. Never run in the sun too long because sun is very hot. So pronounce with me too long. Pronounce with me too long. Too long. Short time. Short time. Never run in the sun too long. Never run in the sun too long. Okay, good student. Now move on. Third word is go out. Go out. That means outside. That means outside. Bahire. Go out. That means outside. He goes out for swim. He goes out for swim. Okay. Now pronounce with me. Go out. Pronounce with me. Go out. What is the meaning? Outside. What is the meaning? Outside. What is the meaning? Outside. He goes out for swim. He goes out for swim. Now again read out these words. Doctor's chamber. Doctor's chamber. Where physician practice. Where physician practice. Too long. Short time. Too long. Short time. Few minutes. Go out. Outside. Go out. Outside. Now go to the sentence. I am at the doctor's chamber. I am at the doctor's chamber. Never run in the sun too long. Never run in the sun too long. Okay. He goes out for swim. He goes out for swim. Okay, thank you students. Now I want to read out the text. Please listen carefully and read with me also. Okay, take your textbook at page number 62. Okay. Mom. Sufia and her mother. Her name is Sufia and she is her mother. The woman is Sufia's mother. So I read out the dialogue. Sufia. Mom, can I go out and play please? Mom, can I go out and play please? Mother. Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? Yes. Sufia said yes. Where Sufia wants to go? For play. Where? For play. Why? She go out for play. Sufia's mother asked her, have you done your homework? Sufia said yes. Yes. Mother. Okay, but don't play for too long. But don't play for too long. You have to come with a few minutes, her mother said. Rashid. Next one is Rashid and Mrs. Alam. Mrs. Alam is his teacher and Rashid is a student of school. So, Rashid, good morning, teacher. May I come in, please? Mrs. Alam, yes, Rashid. Why are you late? Why are you late? Rashid, my father is ill. We were at the doctor's chamber. We were at the doctor's chamber. Mrs. Alam, I hope your father gets well soon. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Now again, read out this topic and you listen carefully and repeat with me, okay? Sophia, Mom, can I go out and play, please? Mother, have you done your homework? Yes. Okay, but don't play for too long. Rashid, good morning, teacher. May I come in, please? Good morning, teacher. May I come in, please? Mrs. Alam, yes, Rashid. Why are you late? Why are you late? Rashid, my father is ill. My father is ill. We were at the doctor's chamber. We were at the doctor's chamber. Mrs. Alam, I hope your father gets well soon. Sit down, please. Where is Rashid? Can you guess? He is at the door. He asks, by which word? May I? May I? Which word? May I? Why Rashid is late? Because his father is ill. Because his father is ill. Where were they? Then they were in the doctor's chamber. They were in the doctor's chamber. His father, Mrs. Alam said, his father hope get well soon. Okay. Now, dear students, I have two questions from the text. Try to guess what is the answer. Where does Sophia want to go? Sophia wants to go for play. Outside. Sophia wants to go outside for play. Why does mother let Sophia go out? Because she have done her homework. She have done her homework. Why is Rashid late in school? Because his father was ill. His father is sick. So, this is the dialogue. Here is focus. May I come in? May I? The two words, may I. When you want to get permission, any other person, your mother, your father, your elder person, your guardian or teacher, then you may ask by using may, by using word may. So, the focusing sentence words are may I. We have learned from this text may I how to permission, which word you use when you want to permission. We use may I. Okay. Do you remember it? Have you understood? I think you have understood. When you use, যখন আমরা কখন কোনো অনুমতি বা পারমিশন চাবো তখন আমরা কি ইউজ করব? মে আই। তখন কি ইউজ করব? মে আই। যখন কোনো পারমিশন চাবো তখন আমরা কি ইউজ করব? মে আই। অনুমতি চাইতে গেলে আমরা মে আই ইউজ করব। এই শব্দ দুটোই আমরা এই টেক্সট থেকে জেনেছি কিভাবে প্রশ্ন করতে হয় কোনো কিছু অনুমতি চাওয়ার জন্য। ওকে। What are Sophia and Rashid asking for? They are asking for permission. They are asking for permission. What are Sophia and Rashid asking for? What are? Please say with me. They are asking for permission. They are asking for permission. How are Sufia and Rashid asking permission? How are Sufia and Rashid asking permission? Using may I. Using may I. Sufia and Rashid asking permission by using may I. By using words may I. Okay, dear students, in the meanwhile, we have learned from this text how to get permission, which word you have to use. We use when you get permission, may I go out please, may I sleeping please, may I reading the book please, may I come in the classroom please, may I office room go, may I come in the office room please. When you have to ask permission, then you use may I. Okay. So the focusing sentence words are may I. Now we want to play a game. I think you also like it. Am I right? Are you ready for this? Yes, I think you are ready. So at first you have to read out these words. At first you have to read out these words. I will show you. After that you have to look carefully which word I delete from the screen, and also write down in your note khata. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Please read out these words at first. Go out, too long, may I, get oil, sit down. Again, go out, too long, may I, get oil, sit down. Okay. Now I want to omit one words from here. Please, which word I omit from here? Please write down in your note khata. Please hurry up. I think you have finished. Next one. Please write down next words. Have you complete? Yes. Now have a look again. Which word omit from here? Please write down in your note khata. Again, which word? Please write down in your note khata. All words I delete from the screen. Now have a look and check your answer. Your spelling is right or wrong. Please put tick mark. Go out, too long, may I, get oil, sit down. Okay. I think you have enjoyed the game. This game is Kim's game. Okay. Now, dear students, let's use may I for fill in the blanks. Please practice in orally, not write down in your khata. So, practice with me, orally, just orally. May I use the bathroom? May I use the bathroom? You want to go bathroom. You ask your teacher or any other place, may I use the bathroom? Second one. Dad, may I watch TV all day long? May I watch TV all day long, Dad? Third one. May I come in the office room, teacher? May I come in the office room, teacher? Again. May I use the bathroom? May I use the bathroom? Number 2, Dad, may I watch TV all day long? All day long. May I come in the office room, teacher? In this way, you use may I. Because when you need to permission, you have to use may I. Okay, you practice more and more at your home. Then you can perfect how to use may I. So students, our topic was may I come in. Today we have learned how to use may I from the 2 dialogues. You have to practice at your home with your help of parents or guardians. Okay. Now I have a one words. What is the word? Permission. When you need to permission, we have to use may I. So I write down here permission. Now pronounce with me. Permission. Permission. Please pronounce with me. Permission. Now spell with me. Permission. Permission. Bangla meaning অনুমতি চাওয়া. Okay. Sufia wants to get permission. Again, permission, অনুমতি চাওয়া. Sufia wants to get permission. অনুমতি চাওয়া. Sufia wants to get permission. Now, I have a homework for you. By use may I words, practice with your parents and will write 5 sentences in your copy, in your notebook. Because whenever your school will reopen, you have to show your teacher. Okay. Now I want to say also you my WhatsApp number. If you need any query, you have asked me. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 01670575025. Again I tell you 01670575025. Okay, dear students, I want to write down here my WhatsApp number, so that if you have any query, you can ask me. Zero 16705755025. This is my WhatsApp number. Do you have any query? You can WhatsApp. Okay. So I want to say no, bye bye, see you again next time and next class. Till then, you well and stay at home and never forget to wash your hand frequently. Okay, bye bye.